Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see Lesson 5 Division. Now we'll see exercise 5A. Draw buttons equally on the shirts as required. Use 6 buttons. So for 6 buttons here 3, here 3. 6 shared equally by 2 is 3. Okay, 3 and 3, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Each shirt will have 3 buttons. Okay. Next, use 9 buttons. We have to equally share 9 buttons to these 3 shirts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How much? 6. Remaining 7, 8, 9. So each shirt have 9 shared equally by 3 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Each shirt will have 3 buttons. Okay. Use 16 buttons. You have to share 16 into this 4. You have to equally share these 16 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 shared equally by 4 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Each shirt will have dash buttons. 4. Understood? Next, find out how many in each group. Write the division fact for each. 10 cupcakes, 2 equal groups. Dash cupcakes in each group. There are 10 cupcakes. We have 10 cupcakes. We have to make a groups. In group, we have 2 cupcakes. Okay. For 2 equal groups. Sorry. 2 equal groups ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. This is 1. So 10 cupcakes, 2 equal groups. This is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cupcakes in each group. Okay. Next, 12 donuts. Here 12 donuts. 3 equal groups. We have to make 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another group. So total 3 groups. How many donuts are there in a group? 1, 2, 3, 4 donuts. 15 candies. We have 15 candies. 5 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so the dash candies in each group, 3 candies in each group. Understood? Next, 5B, exercise 5B. Find out how many trays are needed. 15 glasses, 5 glasses on a tray. Here we have 15 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 glasses in a tray. We have to make a group of 5 glasses in a tray. 1 already given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another. 15 in equal groups of 5 is 3 groups. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Dash trays are needed 3. Next, 12 glasses, 2 glasses on a tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 12 in equal groups of 2 is dash groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups. 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Dash trays are needed. 6 trays are needed. 14 glasses, 7 glasses on a tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 in equal groups of 7 is dash groups. 2 groups. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Dash trays are needed 2. 18 glasses, 3 glasses on a tray. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In 18 in equal groups of 3 in dash groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Dash trays are needed. 6 trays are needed. Understood? Find out how many groups. Write the division fact for each. 9 stamps in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 in each group. Dash groups. 3 in each groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 10 stamps in all. 2 in each group. dash groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 stamps in all, 6 in each groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Dash divided by is equal to dash. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. Understood? Okay. Division is nothing but it's a repeated subtraction. Okay. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Division is a repeated subtraction. Tomorrow we will see this exercise 5C. Okay. Thank you.